Once again, most welcome to again my YouTube channel, guys. How are you? I hope you're fine and good now, better now, everywhere with your family members. So I hope today, I will be making video with play and the triggers, the parachute games. About I will be making video and I will be guide to you something about this game. Because many of people today be asking me, please making video about this game, and I will be completely helping to you. So guys, never be skipping this video, and I will be completely guide to you how to be complete to be this game meter depth. All about this is the everything easily know, not to be anything hard, and I explain you all about how to be complete to be 4000 meters. So guys, they all of everything more easily know. Only request you be end of watching this video, and I will be completely helping to you. I hope you will be never skipping this video and completely watching my video, and before like and share, and to be also to be subscribed to my YouTube channel. So let's start this video. Okay guys, I'm already download this game, and I will be completely guide to you because many of people demand me on my comment section. They asking me please making video about this game and how to be complete to be these games. Okay guys, so I will be starting this video, and you will be never be skipping this video, and I will be completely guide to you how to be complete to be this game. Just a little playing this game, and before I will be explain you all about these options. Sometimes people not to be understand how to be complete to be these games, and I will be completely guide to you. So guys, when you will be starting this game and you will be purchasing the back size, this is the more important option for you, because sometimes people not to be know about these options back size, the what the benefits. The benefit if you have the more back size, you will be purchasing and you will be earns more coins, because if you have more back size, so you will be earns more coins. So this is the more important option for you, because many people sometimes not to be understand, but I will be completely explain you. So this is the big and the best advice I give you. So next I will be asking you something more. Be quickly I will be asking you about this all of the options about. Okay guys, here we also to be available this options to be x3 add the why the video here be available now. Here be also to be available now. I will be explain you this type. Here be available now x3 add the watch the video. So guys, here be if you watching you will be see on the ads option. So you will be clicking no, and be 10 or 15 or 30 seconds be little video you will be watching now. Then you will be queens earn screens should be triple earn screen now, and you will be easily be more back size purchasing now. Maximum be 50 above you will be back size purchasing now. Then you will be easily complete to be this game. This all of the game depend on your back size. If you have back size the more, and then you will be more earns coins. Because my wish I will be completely guide to you how to be complete to be these games, because sometimes many of people not to be understand how to be complete to be this game meter depth. Be purchasing Xbox back size, and then you will be earns lots of coins and watching actually add the what the video, because they all of everything more easily now, because sometimes people not to be understand, but I will be completely guide to you how to be complete to be these games.
Don't worry about Pitakal.
Okay, so here be also to be available to be options like BX3 add the what the video, so you will be never skipping the because this is the more important option for you. Sometimes people ignoring this add the option, so then he not to be complete to be your games to be easily know, because this is the more important tricks for you. I will be purchasing be more be 40 back size I will be purchasing, so maximum be 50 above you will be purchasing be back size, because I'm be starting this game and to be completely explain you all about this option. Because when you will be back size purchasing now, then you will be more earn to be by step you will be earn more to be coins. And I hope you will be understand on what I will be asking to you, because I want to be completely guide to you how to be complete to be this game. because this time like my mobile is so much hanging. Just I will be explaining you all about these games, and I hope you will be understand what I will be asking to you about this game. And thank you for you supporting me, and please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel because I'm be more helping to you every time, every day.